guys, this is Miss Remy here and welcome back to my channel. So I'll be doing a DIY. Okay, a DIY. It's actually I'm doing a hair mask for my hair, so I thought I'll just share with you guys. I had some bananas and then they were going bad so fast, so I didn't want to throw them away, so I kept them. And my hair right now, I just took my hair out of the twist from the previous video before this video, and so I already cut this, so I'm going to use this piece of the aloe to mix it with use the aloe, the banana. Oh, look at the color it mix. I'll be using okra. Guys, is it okay for me to give you a little bit of information regarding this hair mask? Yes? No? Or maybe? Well, I'm going to tell you anyway because you got no choice but to listen to me. Nah. But I want to give you a little bit of information on each product used in this video. As you will see, most of the products are overlapped regarding their uses. Why am I speaking like this? I do not know. But that brings me to why I did this hair mask. I did this hair mask because I wanted to focus on moisture and healthy scalp. Why is moisture and healthy scalp are important? So healthy scalp and they are important to our hair. For our hair, when I say our hair, black people hair, black men's hair, black women's hair, black children hair, any other type of hair, healthy scalp and moisturizing, they are important. Well, healthy scalp promotes healthy hair and it promotes hair growth. You may ask, how does it promote hair growth? Well, for example, if you have a plant and the plant is not being watered, the plant is on dry, it's not using good soil, the plant is eventually going to die. Why did I take it that far? I don't know, but so extra. Anyway, that's in comparison to our scalp, okay? Our root, because the healthy hair is coming out of our roots. So if the place, the base, the foundation where the hair is coming from is not healthy, so the hair is not going to be healthy and it's going to slow down hair growth. All right. As for moisturizing, to keep our hair moisture, as you know or may not know, our hair loves water. It loves moisturizing, and the best and number one moisturizing product that you could feed your hair, our hair, is water. Okay, it's glow. But that also promotes hair growth. It also keeps your hair looking healthy, juicy, bouncy, not only for the scalp but also for your split ends and for your hair. That's about it for why I decided to make this hair mask. As far as for the items used in this video, aloe vera juice from the store or aloe vera water from the store does not work for my hair. I do not know why it doesn't work for my hair, but it just don't. But the aloe vera plant work perfectly for my hair. Aloe vera, not only it's a very powerful plant. It's not only it has a lot of internal benefit, but when it comes to hair, it reduces itchiness. It helps revive dead skin, meaning your scalp. It retains moisture. It helps with dry and split ends. Banana promotes healthy scalp. It prevents dandruffs. it keeps scalp moisturized again, and it makes the hair soft. And as for okra, I have made a okra treatment years ago. It's on my hair page, that I have added okra. At first, I did not know what the use of okra for hair, but I just thought, well, okra is a very slippery vegetable. Let me just use it just to um, let my hair soft, so it can help me to detangle my hair easily. That's the reason I used it. But as I looked into okra, okra rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, I also believe vitamin K, not 100% sure. Calcium, potassium. It also helps with moisture, dandruffs again, and like I said, it makes the hair manageable to detangle. As for honey, honey seals moisture in our hair, which is important and we need, because we need to retain moisture. It also helps with healthy skin. It prevent hair damage. Of course, all these things will prevent hair damage, because when your hair is dry, it's easy for it to break off. It's easy for you to have split into it. So that's about it. I think that's all I have to say. So if you guys have any other questions, please do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. I would really appreciate that. And oh, please, before you go on and try this hair mask, although this hair mask was a successful, I really loved it, but please watch part 2 first, okay? It's important. You must watch part 2 first, because I was not anticipating on putting the extra work, and I had to put extra time. All right. And yeah, I guess that's about it. And I will try to have part 2 maybe tomorrow or Saturday. Not Saturday, because I'll be traveling. As you know, I'll post every Thursdays, so I don't know, let's see. And this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, remember to watch part 2 first if you don't want to put the extra time, not extra work, but the extra time. I will try to post the second part this week before next week Thursday, because when it comes to me, if I'm watching something on YouTube, I don't like to wait for a whole week for a second part of anything, especially a DIY. So I value you guys. Yeah, and I hope you guys are off tomorrow like some of us are. Enjoy and have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day, weekend, and I will see you on the next video. And thank you for watching.